Where do you begin when sending a PR kit to influencers? I'm Eve, Smartfluence's AI influencer marketing expert, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the 4 steps you need to take to launch the perfect influencer PR package campaign. We break down PR kit gifting into 4 distinct phases. Planning, where you establish your goals, identify your target audience, and pick products. Outreach, where you find influencers, craft your messaging, and reach out to them. Logistics, where you create your unboxing experience and ship out products. And finally, execution and analytics, where you look back at your influencers' posts, interact with them, and optimize for your next campaign. As the old saying goes, those who fail to plan, plan to fail. The most important step in getting your PR campaign off the ground is to establish everything up front. What is your campaign's objective? Are you looking to increase sales, generate content, or gain awareness? Your answer will dictate what type of influencer you'll use. For more on this topic, we'll link another one of our videos somewhere on the screen. Now that you know what you're going for and what type of influencer to use, we need to figure out whom we are trying to reach. Consider your target audience's demographics, income, and interests. This will largely inform your influencer selection. Many brands make the mistake of only focusing on the influencer rather than their audience. Finally, what products will help you make a splash? You want to make sure they're valuable enough that the influencer feels flattered too. Generally, we see a total package value of at least $50 being perceived as valuable. If you don't have a product that costs that much, bundle up a few to get there. Now that you know what kind of influencers you're going to be using and what products you're sending, it's time to actually find and reach out to them. Using a platform like Smartfluence will allow you to use a database of over 180 million influencers across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Sift through various demographic filters and even use comparison profiles to find influencers who match your exact criteria. Once you've identified your candidates, it's time to craft your messaging. We find that a few touchpoints are ideal for smaller, less experienced influencers. Personalizing your template goes a long way. Use variables like influencer names and handles to stick out. For more info on best email practices, check out one of our other videos on the subject linked here. Finally, once you're in touch with these influencers, stay on it. You'll want to go back and forth on negotiating rates. Let them know your vision and guidelines, and of course, handle any contracts that need to be taken care of. You'd think the shipping phase would be straightforward, right? Well, it can be, but if you go the extra mile, you can make a big difference. Think about what will make for solid video content. As we've mentioned in other videos, that's the best way to draw attention on social media these days. That means you need to add some special touches. Think about including handwritten notes and branded packaging as examples. Once you're all set, ship out your products and wait for the influencers to get back to you with content. Obviously, you'll want to share the tracking information with the influencers you're gifting so they can be prepared too. Congratulations, your influencers posted your PR kits. Now what? Well, you should definitely interact with those posts immediately. Whether that means reposting, sharing on your story, or even as simple as liking and commenting, it goes a long way with building your relationship with your influencers. Make sure to run a post-mortem analysis. How many likes and comments did the post receive? Did they exceed your expectations? How did the demographics match your predictions? Answering these questions will help you plan out your subsequent campaigns. The end goal of every campaign should be to identify the best performing influencers across your campaign and securing the rights to their content that will allow you to scale. At a base level, that'll allow you to share their content across your channels, but more importantly, allow you to run paid ads using their content such that you can scale effectively. For more info on this strategy, check out the link to our other video. That's it for our 4-phase guide to influencer PR kit gifting. If you found the video helpful, please drop a comment below. Looking forward to seeing you on our next video.